Thank you, and thank you, Julian. That was a great keynote. So I asked just for a few minutes of time this morning to discuss what we're doing or what we have available at the event from Microsoft. One of the things that we've put together is a Interoperability Lab. Just a second, let me pull up the deck real quick. Do you know where it's at on the...
It's not. Yeah. Okay.
Speak a little Spanish. Actually, it was easier to use than PowerPoint. No, I'm just kidding. So again, welcome to the event. We're really excited to be here. When Julian presented the opportunity for us to participate in this event, we were extremely excited about it. We love the idea that it's not Microsoft hosting a Microsoft event, giving Microsoft talks, talking about only Microsoft things. So we really like kind of the motivation behind this event and hopefully what this event brings over the next few days. I'm here with my colleague, Darryl Welch. Darryl's the program manager for the Windows Interoperability team. And together we just wanted to introduce the Microsoft folks that are here, as well as the resources that we're going to make available at the event these 3 days. Did you want to cover this?
Sure. So thank you, Michael, and thank you all for coming today. And as Michael has laid out here, we've had a number of events over time for our interoperability program, and we're happy to contribute to this event. To thank you to Julian and Paula and all of the folks here who've made this possible. So we've really appreciated you and so many others who participated. Some of the folks here who will be presenting this week are strong contributors to interoperability efforts and have participated in our other events. So as you can see, the amount of specifications are approaching, I think it's actually more than 1,000 specifications. Yeah. There are many protocols in the world, although as you well know, there are only a few that are really of interest to you. We do have a support team, and we'll go ahead and introduce those engineers. Michael is announcing a tool this week, and I will be doing the same in an open source fashion, which has taken us some time, as some of you are painfully aware, but we certainly want to facilitate that process for delivering tools in the future. So
one of the other things that our team, besides protocol interoperability, represents is the developer experience with Office 365, the Office clients, etc. And one of the investments that we're going to be making over the next few months, year, is improving that developer experience. And one of the kind of requests that we make of you is, we would love to have feedback on your experience working with our tools, with Microsoft.com, with MSDN. Our team is responsible for publishing those 1,000 open specifications. We know that a lot of times the developer experience when you're trying to figure out something with our Office products can be frustrating. We want to understand where those points of frustration are and identify ways that we can improve. So we've come up with new prototypes of the MSDN site, and other things that we'd like to show you throughout the week, just to collect your feedback and understand how we can improve those items. The other thing is, so upstairs, I think if you follow the blue tape along the floor, there's a room called Microsoft Interoperability Lab. It's right next to where the second track is being hosted. And in that room, we're going to have engineers that are going to be stationed there that will have a variety of different tools. We have test suites. Test suites are synthetic clients that we've built that will validate protocol implementations, and we have those for Exchange ActiveSync, Exchange Web Services, SharePoint. We also have a new tool called MailSim that will demo. It's a Outlook. It's a tool that automates Outlook in a very defined and repeatable way. And then we've got Message Analyzer, a talk as well as demos that we can give you on Message Analyzer. And then the other thing we have here is the support team, who I believe Darryl will introduce.
Yes, and so thank you. Welcome to this event. One of our primary purposes is to support our open specifications in this effort. And as those of you who've worked with our support escalation engineers know, we have a third level support team, and I just want to have Obed, if you could stand up. He's working on a lot of the Windows open specifications. Tom Gibo represents the Office specifications here today. So these folks are senior engineers, and they're very talented. Please do, if you have questions, technical issues that relate to the specification or how you may see an implementation in whether it's free IPA or Samba or others, you can ask those questions or open change, so many other areas. Please do ask the questions. We want to capture those. To be honest, that is one of our primary purposes of being here, is to gather that feedback.
Yes, absolutely. So, and if we don't have the answer during this event, we'll take it back. We'll open up a support case. There's no support fee associated with this. So please don't hesitate to come talk with us. Thank you.
Thanks.